2019 Mercedes GLE 43 AMG bi-turbo. Man, that was a mouthful. Anyways, what we got done on for you guys today, it's got factory converters up there and up there. Then it's got this pretty old stainless steel piping. Then it's got two huge resonators. Then it comes with a factory X pipe right in the center. Really pretty. Then what we put on it is he brought his own exhaust system. It is called MEISTERSCHAFT, MEISTERSCHAFT, something, I don't know. We'll get you guys a part number if we can. There it is. A whole stainless steel system with tips and everything. The tips come already built into the bumper, so it just rolls into them right there. Really nice system, as you guys can see. It was a pain in the butt to put on, but it worked. There's the muffler that we cut off, this gigantic thing right here, and replace it with this nice stainless steel shiny muffler, a MEISTERSCHAFT, or if you guys can pronounce it, let me know. But anyways, there it is, AMG GLE 43. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. There she is. Not bad. It's like about a $3,000 system, guys. It's different. There's sound decibels. Again. It's got a really nice stance to it when you do it. That's a completely different sound, man. Wow. There's a muffler we took off and a master shift or whatever system is put on. Give it gas. The sound doesn't good. Those bi-turbos, man, make it sound like crazy. What do you guys think? Let us know. Let me let you hear on the inside. We got a bunch of different ones we can put on it.